Good day or evening, dear participants. In this fifth lecture of Module 3, we are going to focus on the school improvement initiatives in curriculum implementation. Let us introduce this lecture. In recent years, scholars have increasingly embraced the notion of teachers as key actors in curriculum implementation through professional classroom teaching, taking center stage and exercising the autonomy to initiate school improvement initiatives. In fact, teachers are not passive recipients of curriculum policies and guidelines, but active agents who can shape and adapt the curriculum according to their own professional judgment and the needs and interests of their students. Teachers can use their classroom teaching as a site of innovation and improvement, where they can experiment with new methods, materials, and strategies and evaluate their effectiveness and impact. Teachers can also exercise their autonomy to initiate school improvement initiatives, such as collaborating with other teachers, engaging in professional development, conducting action research, or participating in curriculum development and evaluation. These initiatives can help teachers enhance their knowledge, skills, and attitudes, as well as improve the quality and relevance of the curriculum for their students and society. In recent years, scholars have increasingly embraced this notion of teachers as key actors in the curriculum implementation, as it recognizes the importance and complexity of teachers' work and empowers them to take ownership and responsibility for their own professional growth and the improvement of their students' learning outcomes. Now, let us look at some initiatives in curriculum implementation. In many different parts of the world, intrinsically innovative teachers have initiated and developed innovations that improved student learning and were disseminated to other schools. An analysis of factors that facilitate teacher-initiated innovations can assist educators and teachers to develop a sustainable theory of action for facilitating teacher innovations that can be developed and possibly disseminated to other schools as well. In the course of implementing the curriculum, innovative educators and teachers conjure up school improvement initiatives and often produce new instructional strategies capable of enhancing student learning in ways that radically depart from usual teaching practices. Such educators and teachers are known for their keenness to seek technical assistance from curriculum and research experts in local universities and colleges to conduct research, experiment with, and develop innovations for dissemination to other schools, locally and globally. School leaders can assist teachers to develop their initiatives by allowing them to work in teacher learning alliances where they hold staff development workshops and in-service training. Take note that a community of practice of teachers, educators, researchers, etc. can add value to link teachers and research for innovation by providing a platform for teachers to share their experiences, insights, and challenges with their peers and to learn from each other's practices and perspectives. A community of practice can also foster a culture of inquiry and collaboration among teachers, where they can collectively identify problems, generate solutions, and evaluate outcomes. Furthermore, a community of practice can help teachers access and utilize relevant and updated research evidence, as well as contribute to the existing knowledge base through their own action research projects. By participating in a community of practice, teachers can enhance their professional competence and confidence and become more reflective and responsive practitioners who can implement the curriculum in creative and effective ways. In collaboration with experts and associated stakeholders, teachers can help establish in their schools a culture of transformative innovation. Through establishing communities of practice, teachers can conduct monitoring and evaluation, as well as participatory action research, incorporating experimental and survey designs, and engage in knowledge-sharing sessions, where they report and use the data to revise and reconstruct the innovations iteratively. With the assistance of interested stakeholders, teachers can garner funds and associated resources to be deployed towards development of the initiatives during tryouts in pilot schools. Some examples of initiatives by teachers in curriculum implementations. As we already discussed, teachers' initiatives are so important due to their proximity with the learners, parents, the community, and other stakeholders. Due to this proximity, teachers can influence different actors through well-thought-out projects and other initiatives. The following are possible initiatives that teachers may think of for school improvement purposes. 1. developing and using contextualized and localized instructional materials that suit the needs and interests of their students and the characteristics of their communities. 2. Adopting and adapting learner-centered and differentiated pedagogies that cater to the diverse abilities and learning styles of their students and promote active and meaningful learning experiences. 3. Integrating cross-curricular themes and competencies such as global citizenship, environmental sustainability, or digital literacy into their subject teaching and learning, and creating interdisciplinary and authentic learning opportunities for their students. 4. Establishing and maintaining partnerships with parents, community members, local organizations, and other stakeholders, and involving them in the planning, implementation, and evaluation of the curriculum. 5. Engaging in continuous assessment and feedback processes that monitor and support their students' learning progress and outcomes, and that inform their own teaching practices and decisions. Let us reflect. We briefly discussed how teacher initiatives can activate school improvement mechanisms for the benefit of the students. Read the case study, Teacher-Initiated and School-Based, Classroom-Based Developmental Research Projects. The case study document is shared in this module. After reading the article, reflect on the following 2 questions. 1. How can you description of each of the 2 teacher-initiated innovations below? A. The Home Economics Teachers Initiative. B. The English Teachers Initiative. 2. What criteria that teachers have to meet to obtain support for developing and disseminating their initiatives? Think about 5 criteria and explain each one. Do your reflections in writing on these 3 questions using the Gibbs Reflective Cycle Guide, which will be shared with you in this module. Compile your reflection in the e-journal available within the e-learning platform in use in this self-paced online course. Share your reflections with your colleagues at work, and also share them on the Community of Practice platform, which will be shared with you. In conclusion, we have explored the concept and importance of teacher-initiated innovations in curriculum implementation. We have seen how teachers can develop and disseminate their own ideas and practices to improve student learning and school performance. We have also examined some examples of such initiatives from different contexts and subjects. Finally, we have invited you to reflect on a case study of teacher-initiated innovations and to share your insights with your peers. We hope that this lecture has inspired you to think creatively and critically about your own role and potential as a curriculum innovator. We encourage you to apply what you have learned to your own teaching practice and to seek collaboration and support from other stakeholders in your school and beyond. If you have any questions or challenges, please use the discussion forum of Module 3 under Lecture 5 to ask questions and answer other participants' questions as well. Thank you for your attention.